welcome back to my channel. It's Kyliana here, and today I'm just gonna be doing a tutorial. Well, I'm actually gonna be doing I tried following a YouTuber tutorial, and my tutorial I'm going to follow Nikkie Tutorials because she's so creative. She's really amazing YouTuber. So I'll be following her and I'll be doing a look that she did using a Morph palette. I hope you guys enjoy the look. And also please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Also, leave a comment in the comment section letting me know what it is you would like to see in future videos. I do have some videos planned that I will try to get out as soon as possible because I know I don't upload as frequently as I would like to, but I will try my best to do so. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I hope you guys like it. I hope you learned something, or if not, at least I hope you get some kicks from the video. So in the beginning of the video, her makeup is already done. So therefore my makeup is already done. There's only a few stuff that I have left. My eyes are already primed using concealer, ColourPop, and it's set with powder. So yeah, let's get into the video. Because we have totally different complexions, I may have to use shades that are darker than what she uses, but I will definitely try to use the same shades. And if not, then I would put the shade that I use on the screen.
Is tan. So you start by packing it on the outer corner here. And I really start building up definition. For this
So
eye,
first, I'm using a darker shade because the one she's using isn't showing up on my skin. So I'm using this one. And I'm gonna blend it. Of course, my brush isn't the same as what she has, but these are the brushes I normally use, and I don't use expensive brushes. Ooh, Nikki, hold on. I don't use expensive brushes. I actually use, most of my brushes are e.l.f. and honestly they get the job done. And also in Nikkie, she already has one of her eyes done, so, but I don't, so I have to do both eyes. So every now and then I'm gonna pause her so that I can do both eyes, get the job done. And also it's important to note that sometimes the videos, YouTube videos, we speed them up so that you don't end up watching somebody blend one eyeshadow for like 5 minutes. I know nobody wants to do that. All right, let's round blend. Let's go. Next brush.
Iconic shades of this palette, fire. And applying fire to the outer third, kind of meeting up with that brown and smoking it into the lid area.
Oh my days. She is going so fast. Oh my god, what am I doing? Here I'm using the same color that she used. And I'm using a different brush as well. Definitely an e.l.f. brush. If you're a beginner starting, you don't have to buy expensive brushes, honestly. Especially if you're just starting with makeup. Okay, Nikkie.
Very pigmented copper shimmery shade, and this is on the lid blending into fire.
Okay. Maybe this is not the best brush to use. With
With
shimmers, it definitely goes on much more pigmented if the brush is wet and if you use a flat brush. So I'm gonna use a flat brush. Look for a brush. I'm gonna use a flat brush now to see if it makes a difference. Barely. Oh, look at that. She brought this over into the red to make it a little bit more seamless. The thing is, I think Nikki and I have two very different shaped eyes, so with mine I probably could go up a little higher because I have way more crease space than she does. That's what it looks like, at least. But let's just play this safe. Just in case you guys are wondering, I'm recording and it's like 1 in the morning. Go, Nikki. We'll blend. Ooh, brush to blend. Oh, hold on.
Okay, that outer corner is looking a little bit weak, so let's intensify it.
So we're blending so we don't see any harsh lines. Yes. Ooh. I feel like I just made a boo-boo. Oh my gosh, bigger boo-boo. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, what am I doing? Blend. I'm going in with the red again. I know she didn't do this, but I feel like the red got lost. So just going in a little bit. Kelly, you are not playing by the rules.
Okay, that outer corner is looking a little bit weak, so
we're gonna darken it up.
using the chestnut, just packing it on, blending it out, packing it on, blending it out.
Wait, Nikki, wait.
Grabbing a
I need a smaller brush. Like, I feel so left behind. To be honest, this is a little bit challenging for me because I actually do my eyeshadow before I do my foundation, because eyeshadows do tend to have fallout, meaning the dust particles get on your face, which you could see. So most times I do my eyeshadow first so that after I could clean that all up. But she did her foundation first, so I'm following that. Let's go on to the under eyes.
Full coverage shadow brush and going back in with chestnut and defining the lower lash line and making it.
I never get smoky eyes right. This feels criminal. Use the same brush and go into another shade. Boy.
For a little bit of glam, going in with
Quick. She is so good at what she does. Like, I really wonder how long she actually takes if she doesn't speed her videos, you know? Because sometimes I take like 30 minutes to do eyeshadow. Hold on. Next brush.
This one more. So I'm going in with the black of the palette. This one.
I think this is the most brushes I've ever used to do an eye. Most times I tend to use the same brush when I'm doing my eyeshadow. Yeah, same brush in every color. Or at least 2 brushes.
One is called Wiz, darkening that outer corner.
Oh my days.
More. Now let me tell
What?
you, this black is very
What?
intense. So go
Nikki,
little by
hold
little
on,
because-
girl.
Go little by little. Trust me.
Trying to blend this black you sent me in. Oh no, my baby. Oh my days. Let's just blend this in a little bit. It hurts to leave this like that. Better. Oh, I don't have that color.
This is festive gold.
I don't have that.
Cosmetics.
So since I don't have that color she has, I'm going to use BH Cosmetics little, what palette is this? Wild Child Baked Eyeshadow Palette. Lashes. I'll be back for this because the struggle is real with lashes.
For the eyes is done.
Wow. Guys, if you know the struggle with these. Okay, so now she's bronzing, I believe.
Different
So
than
let's
all the
bronze.
other palettes. It reminds me quality-wise a lot of the Jaclyn Hill palette, which makes sense because Jaclyn did curate some of the colors in this palette. Jaclyn helped Morphe create this palette. It's not a collaboration, but she helped pick colors and help pick formulas.
Blush. So let's just go on to the next. Highlighter. I don't have that highlighter, but I have one of my favorites, which is considered my artist contour, because I don't have. Whoa, that's a lot of highlighter. That's the way she does. Oh my gosh. What am I thinking? This is intense. Then she does under her chin, I believe. Her lip. I don't ever do this, so it's pretty awkward. I don't ever do this. And her nose. Definitely don't do this ever, because I have oily skin and my nose is always shining. So I try to avoid extra shine. Okay? That's beaming now.
And since this is a very fall
I don't have that lippy, but I have something that's pretty similar. Colourpop Rouge.
And this is in the color Rocker, and this is
Don't have that lip topper.
very, very pretty. First time trying.
But what I can do is use an eyeshadow to get that color. It's pretty.
Holy God.
Wow. Oh, now she sprays herself. Now, my hair ain't about to turn back.
And that, guys, concludes my video.
Okay. So guys, that is it for the look. This is how it came out. Honestly, it's not terrible, but definitely not something I would wear and go out. Like all this glow, not me. The lip, but on her it is freaking amazing. But on me, not so much. But if you did enjoy this look and you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, SOS, and I will see you in the next one. Also, I'm thinking about doing a Q&A, so if there's any questions you'd like to ask, please leave it in the comment section below, and feel free to leave any questions. It doesn't have to be about makeup, it doesn't have to be about hair. Any questions, just not too personal, okay? But yes, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace and high five.